Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to hang out with me for a few minutes. I do truly appreciate it. As you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for February 2019. I really do like Allure. The products are always super fantastic, and for the value, if you do not know, Allure is a $15 a month subscription. You can usually get your first month for about $10, and sometimes they also will throw in like a bonus gift, like a welcome gift. So I am going to dive in here and show you guys what is inside. It used to come in like a red box, and the products were just inside the box. Starting last month in January, they did start to send it in this box, and inside is actually like a plastic little bag. So they've made a few changes. Before I get into unboxing, I do want to remind you guys that I have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. The link will be down below. And if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. I do have the 10 days of live giveaways going on, so you do not want to miss that. Otherwise, let's get into unboxing. So we are going to find my box cutter. Not feeling the best. I'm just kind of out of it, so if I seem a little loopy, I apologize. So let's open this up and see. So when we open it, up here it says hashtag Allure Beauty Box, and there is always a little magazine that tells you about the products. There is always a beautiful, beautiful lady on the front, so we will reference that when we need to. And we also have, let's see, this is from Gorgenia. This offer is valid through 12/31/19, available on full price items only, one use per customer. It's a $25 gift. So, I mean, I'm not too sure what the prices would be, but there is that. And then this month, the bag is black. Last month it was red. So this month it is black, and this is what it looks like. So like I said, it's just a little plastic bag. So let's open it and see what we got for February. So I'm just going to pull the first item out. It looks like a sheet mask. And this is from Mota. I do not know if I said that name correctly. Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose. Reinvents beauty by cultivating power and energy derived from flowers. With Amore Pacific Botanical Garden. Lives Mota Garden. Oh, I'm sorry, within. I knew that didn't sound right. Where we study the wisdom of nature, revealing the energy in flowers that enhance beauty. So this is a hydrating mask. And it's the typical 10 to 20 minutes. Let's see what it says in our little booklet. All right, it looks like there could have been variations on this. It's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different masks here. So I guess it could have varied. I'm not sure. Using one of these K-Beauty sheet masks makes my skin feel like I just poured an entire bottle of serum on my face. That's super hydrating. Come in 7 varieties. You'll get one on your box. Each is infused with nourishing botanical extracts and moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which are essential now that temps are dropping fast. I don't know about that, because it went from 30 something to 74 here, so they're rising fast in North Carolina. The sheet mask itself is made from eucalyptus pulp, which adheres well to skin. So the value of this is $7. So that's actually quite expensive for one sheet mask. So I'm going to guess that this sheet mask is really amazing. If I didn't show you guys a little closer up, here you are. So there is that. The packaging is cute. I will probably put this into a giveaway just because I am not really a big fan of rose scented items. There's something about it. So I'll probably stick this in a giveaway for one of y'all. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's move right along. Oh, I am excited for this. We got a brush, y'all. All right. Let's see. This is the Mota Metallics Triad Eye Brush. This is a value of $4.99. Let's see if I can get it open. Well, there we go. I'm telling you, my brain, I'm not feeling so great. My brain decided, nope, not gonna work with you. I've never had so much trouble opening a brush. It's a really pretty brush. It's like a gold textured handle. The shape of this brush is like different. You see here it looks kind of angled and then it gets thinner. You guys see? It's like almost triangle shaped. It feels nice. So, and this is the Mota M27 Triad Eye. So I'm excited about that. I really like that brush and I love getting brushes. So yay for that. And then we have, this is from the same brand as the sheet mask, the Mamande Petal Spa Oil to Foam. This is also in rose. Let's see. This would be, if the full size is $21. It says, my face never feels cleaner than after I double cleanse, which is a popular K-beauty technique that involves using 2 face washes. Mamande's formula condenses the process into one step. It starts as an oil, then with water transforms into a foam. It dissolves my foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. I swear it looks like I hadn't worn makeup to begin with. And mind you, I wear a lot of makeup. The formula is spiked with a damask rose oil, which gives the cleanser a delicate and elegant floral scent. So here is what the packaging looks like. Let's see, does it have a safety seal? It doesn't smell bad, but I do definitely smell that rose smell. So I will put this with the sheet mask into one of our giveaways. So again, I hope one of you guys thoroughly enjoy. And then, oh, I am very excited about this. Okay. This is from Allure Beauty. This is their Mile High Club mascara. This is full size and this is a value of $26. Let me show you guys here. It says, I have a mascara in every purse, multiples at my desk, and more than 4 on my vanity at any given time. I like my lashes long and thick enough to cast shadows. Brand new ultra black option from Allure Beauty, layers without clumps and gives lashes lots of drama. Lift, check. Volume, definitely. Length, almost to my brow bone. This brush is the perfect size to really get to the roots of your lashes and coat every hair. It comes in a squeezable tube so you can get every last bit of product. Just don't pinch the tube with the brush inside. It doesn't smudge or flake even after a full workout and gym session. So, yes, again, that is the packaging. Let's take a look at the wand. So here you have, it's like a straight, and it does have smaller bristles. So, it smells like mascara. And this is volume and length mascara. So yeah, I'm very excited to give that a try. And this is a good month. Let's see, what else do we have in here? There's still a couple of different, like three products. The next one is from Model Co. Not too familiar with this brand. This is a metallic eyeshadow trio. So there is what it looks like in the box. Let's see what it says. So this is a $15 value. Each of the powder eyeshadows in this trio, burgundy, a pinky champagne, and brown, create a sheer wash of glittering color, which makes them perfect everyday shimmers. Okay, let's take a look at them. Oh, they are very, very pretty. Like, they are very pretty. You can definitely tell they're all metallic. Whoop. You can definitely tell they are all metallics. They are super gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch these. I'm not going to touch them. I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. I just really don't reach for smaller eyeshadows like this very often. I usually reach for a palette. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it. I do think the colors are very gorgeous. So yep, this will be added to a giveaway as well. And let's see, we still have 2 more items, y'all. We have from the Brow Gal, Tanya Crooks, the Instant Brow Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. So I have not used a product like this before. I have heard of them. When I'm looking for a touch more polished than swiping on mascara and lip balm, a brow gel is just the speedy ticket. And because this formula from brow groomer extraordinaire Tanya Crooks is subtle, I know I'll never end up with unblendable, angry apostrophe brows that no matter how rushed I am. Formula's teeny microfibers are lightweight, so it doesn't have